Good evening, everyone. 2020 is drawing to a close, but I think there's still time to add one more little project to Bugsy. So what do you think he needs? Personally, I think Bugsy needs some identity. And I'm going to achieve this by adding a hood ornament, a very special hood ornament. Watch this. Could it really have been anything else? He's getting a unicorn. Now, unicorns are quite emblematic of Scotland and Canada. The unicorn appears on our passports, and it's actually chained down. Something to do with the English trying to hold us back. I'm sure there's a big story there. So that's what is going on the top of the grill of Bugsy, is this unicorn. However, I need to devise a way of attaching it. I did have this on the rat rod and I kind of destroyed it a little bit. So the plan is, I'm going to fill it with epoxy resin. I'm going to put a bolt in while the epoxy is still setting to about that far and let it set, and then I'm going to have a solid mounting base, and then that will basically go through the top of the grill and bolt in place. So for tonight, all I'm really going to do is fill this with epoxy, put the bolt in, let it sit overnight, and then I'll be back in the morning to install with his chains. Okay, I'll be back in the morning. See you in a bit. Morning all. Let's see if our epoxy has set. Now, I did have a bit of masking tape around it because of that damage there. I didn't want it all dribbling down the side, but seems pretty solid, nice and straight. Right, so next step, I'm going to bolt this into the top of the rad and then get on with the next step. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to make a little rubber seal for the base of it so that it's not metal to metal. So I'll just punch a hole in that, slide it over there, cut it round, and then I can bolt it on. That's pretty solid. Nice. Now you might be worried about my razor sharp tip. I do have a plan for the horn to make it a bit more pedestrian friendly. I'll talk about that later. Right, next step. This mythical beast needs to be chained down. Don't blame me, blame the English. Now, don't get too concerned. I'm not destroying a perfectly good grill. There's massive holes at the bottom of this shell, so I'm not too worried about a couple of holes. Let me do that, screw it in, and then we'll be done. And there we go. One very unique custom hood ornament specifically for Scott Rods. The chained down unicorn. So, tomorrow is the last day of 2020. And I thought I might do a little video to wrap it all up, but instead I think I might actually do a live stream to bring in the new year, which is pretty sad, but my audience is global, so by the time I do it, it will be New Year in Australia, New Zealand, but I think most people will be up, so I think I'll do it and just put up with the lag. You can still chat, and you can all let me know what you've got planned for 2021, which hopefully does not include sitting in your house doing nothing, waiting for this pandemic to finally finish. Anyway, enough misery. Thanks for watching today. I hope you like my little hood ornament. I like it. Hopefully no one will steal it. How can they? It's bolted down and chained down. Alright, take care everyone. See you tomorrow night. And don't be too drunk by the time you log in, okay? I won't be drunk because I don't drink. I can't afford to drink. All my money goes in this. Right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'd love to get over 2,000 subs to bring in the new year, but, you know, wishful thinking. All right, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.